how Adhyatma or spirituality and Kal Chakra or cosmic cycle are interlinked to each other. It is a two-step process. First is to comprehend the significance of current timeline with respect to the overall cosmic cycle. Next, of course, only if convinced, is to participate in cycle transformation phenomena, that is, to embrace the spirituality. The concept is explained in single frame or screen. Drama is journey of we, the souls, coming from the soul world, interacting with Prakriti in human world with predefined rules. History is the time dimension of the drama consisting of 4 yugs, whereas geography is the space dimension of drama consisting of soul world and human world. Human world is a part of universe made up of 5 elements. Universe and soul world are isolated by thermodynamic boundary. Purush or human soul is a primary actor of drama, having inherent quality called original sanskar or swadharma, consisting of 7 qualities, namely Shanti, Prem, Sukh, Anand, Shakti, Gyan, and Pavitrata, denoted as Q and depicted in green color, is part of subconscious or unconscious mind of the soul. Thought originated from the conscious mind is energy of the soul, which is continuously discharging as per the formula. Thought energy is directly proportional to thought frequency. Built-in drama script is part of unconscious mind of soul. Sanskar, which is a part of unconscious or subconscious mind, generally overrides conscious mind consisting of mind which thinks and intellect which decides. Prakriti or Panchbhut or 5 element is the second actor of the drama which follows laws of thermodynamics. That is, quantity of energy remains constant. That is, law of conservation of energy. But more significantly, the quality of energy always keeps deteriorating as per the law of entropy. Everything spontaneously or naturally transfers from new to old with the passage of time. Behavior of Prakriti resembles the 2 states of heat engine, the ideal or frictionless state, gradually transforming to the real state once friction is introduced in course of time, thereby further reducing the engine efficiency or quality of Prakriti. We shall see that script stored in Purush controls the behavior of Prakriti based on the concepts of quantum physics, neuroscience, theory of relativity specific. Graphical representation of journey. X-axis represent journey time, whereas y-axis represents common deteriorating quality of Prakriti and Purush as per quantum physics and thermodynamics. Unit of measurement of quality of Prakriti is entropy, whereas unit of measurement of quality of Purush to be derived is going to be Vikar. Predefined religion-based inverted human tree exists in descending order of soul power in soul world. Journey starts from soul world to human world by first birth as per the law of attraction, when soul power of Purush equals the charge of Prakriti, which implies the reduction in soul count in soul world and subsequent increase in soul count of human world, thereby increasing the population of human world. Law of subsequent death and birth, which is the change in dress and address of human body. Janma dharma may change every birth like the body name, whereas swadharma associated with every soul remains the same like soul number throughout the journey of soul. During the course of journey, quality of human religion is compromised because of the deterioration of the swadharma, the original quality of every soul. In diagram, lubricated green area is shown gradually reducing because of usage for first two circles representing first two yugas, and is further reduced because of increase in friction depicted as black layer in the next two circles representing the next two yugas. Green area is equivalent to emotional quotient or soul power, whereas black area is equivalent to vikar of Purush. Journey of specific spatial souls in ideal nirvikari, deterministic, soul-conscious world consisting of two yugas, namely gold and silver age. Inner world consisting of only swadharma reflects in outer world of karma deemed zero or deemed akarma during the nirvikari world journey. Graphically, the journey is shown as red line. During the course of journey of number of births, attachment to body increases, so self is gradually identified as body instead of the soul. This phenomena is called Maya or illusion. This journey from soul consciousness to body consciousness, deemed as Sato to Tamo journey. As a result, inherent internal swadharma of soul, kind of overall happiness residing in the inner world of soul, is forgotten, but it is vital for the survival of the soul, which is made up of 7 qualities. The way air, water, etc. are vital for the survival of the body made up of 5 elements. So overall happiness is acquired from the outer world as shown in the flowchart during journey. As a result, vikar depicted as black layer is attached to soul as acquired sanskar. All this implies that Purush is not nirlep and actually is identified as either Papatma or Punyatma. Journey of all souls in real Vikari, non-deterministic, body-conscious world consisting of two yugs, namely copper and iron age. Inner world has now acquired vikar, which overrides the original sanskar, which in turn reflects in outer world karma deemed negative or deemed vikar. Non-deterministic nature implies that karmic gati is guhya. The downward trend of the journey is controlled by religious founders incarnated from different religious branches of soul world tree from time to time, like Abraham, Mahavir, Buddha, Christ, Nanak, etc. Effect is shown as black dotted line converted to full line, reducing the slope of journey or kind of putting brake on spiritually downward train of going from sato to tamo. Number of maximum births in each yug: 8 for gold, 12 for silver, 21 for copper, 42 for iron, totaling 83 are shown. Purush discharges as per only external deterministic factors during journey in soul-conscious nirvikari world of gold and silver age, whereas during journey of body-conscious vikari world of copper and iron age, Purush discharges further because of additional accumulation of internal vikar as per the formula. Increase of Purush vikar triggers increase in Prakruti entropy, leading to thermal death, kind of end of the world. This is the default uniform journey of perfect and fair distribution of Sukh and Dukh, which is applied to every soul going from Sato to Tamo as validated by laws of physics, namely quantum physics, thermodynamics, and theory of relativity specific. All eternal things, day, year, kalp or kal chakra, are cyclic and made up of 4 parts. 4 prahars is 1 day, 4 rutus is 1 year, 4 yugs or ages is equal to 1 kalp. However, only yug part of kalp is beyond the lifetime of human soul. Hence, cyclic nature is not visible to human souls as they are involved in life and death cycle of drama, but it is only visible to Supreme Soul which is beyond life and death. Of course, they say, history repeats, so shall Kalp or cosmic cycles should repeat. The concept is scientifically validated through theory of relativity general and quantum physics. Journey can be cycle only if y value in graph, that is vikar of Purush and entropy of Prakriti becomes 0. As per the physics, entropy of Prakriti is ever increasing, so it cannot be 0. Metaphysics phenomena overrides the physics by making vikar of Purush equal to 0, which makes entropy of Prakriti equal to 0 at predefined time interval t is equal to capital T, because Purush of Purush Vikar controls the Prakriti entropy as per quantum physics and thermodynamics. In graph, placeholder for metaphysics entity is shown, as well as brown dotted journey line intersecting the time axis at t is equal to predefined interval t is shown. This implies that journey or drama is a cycle or it is an eternal Kal Chakra. Metaphysics entity is the third actor of drama. His Param Purush or God is a human soul with Swadharma or Q value of infinity or unlimited value. Soul number is 0, and that is why it is called Supreme Soul, the root of human soul tree called Shiv. Frequency is less than 0, is the only soul capable of charging other human souls because it has no body, it does not come into the life and death cycle, hence there is no vikar, as it always remains beyond universe or entropy boundary, and it remains in soul world. It purifies the Purush by making Vikar is equal to 0, in turn making Prakriti entropy is equal to 0, thereby completing the cosmic cycle at t is equal to predefined period t by changing the direction of the journey. Whereas religious founder reduces the slope of black line, thereby contributing in increasing the cosmic cycle period. We can say religious founder works as battery backup, whereas Param Purush works as a charger and is the one who is responsible for the drama to be a cosmic cycle or a Kal Chakra. Incarnation or Avtaran of Param Purush or Paramatma or God, as mentioned in Yada Yada Shlok of Gita, during cycle transition time from Vikari world to Nirvikari world, called Sangam or Diamond or Gita Yuga. Objective is to charge the human souls by Gyan Murli and Raj Yoga. Angel world or third world or Sukshmavatan is temporarily created for transformation work by energy body of Trimurti of Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. This phenomena is also indirectly mentioned in some scriptures as Kalki avatar of Vishnu. Either spiritual or the settlement part of the cycle is inevitable for every soul as per graph. Unique or durlabh opportunity to recognize Param Purush, Paramatma or God is now during the only one logical knowledge and not biological birth at the end of the cycle, which is dynamic and specific to individual soul as indicated by yellow point in graph. Duration of the cycle, capital T, is equal to 5,000 years, with each yuga of 12,050 years, tatatvam. However, duration is validated as 5,000 years as per the James Bible, which says that 3,000 years before Christ there was heaven. As per the scriptures, Kali has 1200 divine years plus 50 transition years, and if all yugs are of the same period, which makes it 5,000 years. Duration could be 4,000 years based on population theory of statistics, which says that 4,000 years ago the population of the world was almost negligible. 6,000 years as per the Kalki phenomena, and 10,000 years as per the astronomical phenomena of 3 rotations of the world around Sun. 2 rotations we all are aware. Third rotation is the rotation of the world around the periphery of the Sun, where the diameter ratio of the Sun and world is 100, so that area ratio is around 10,000. Purification, that is vikar to become zero, which is a prerequisite to enter the pure soul world, follows the reverse process. 1. Reduce the black layer or vikar accumulated in last 2 yuga of iron and copper age by Raj Yoga. Second, attain the original charge lost during the first 2 yugas of silver and golden age and generate pralab script for nirvikari or deterministic world or for Swarnim Bharat based on principle of change in sanskar for change in sansar from vikari world to nirvikari world. Both are feasible by becoming God conscious and soul conscious or self plus God realization, which is the real definition of astic, by matching soul frequency to God frequency by changing lifestyle to purity only for the logical last birth of the cycle, and thereby experience the presence of God as per the science of Raj Yoga. 1. Soul to Supreme Soul communication by telepathy. 2. Generation of harmonics is experienced in Atindriya Sukh because of the frequency matching with Supreme Soul. Third, soul power charging as per the stress formula, the reduction of the stress and hence the reduction of the suffering. Fourth, personality change because of the burning of vikar by the power of Supreme Soul. Analogy is Sun is Param Purush or Supreme Soul. Focus by lens is Rajyog through Man and Buddhi, and paper is Vikar. Cycle completion is inevitable either by yoga, that is God conscious karma, red line, or by karma bhog, black line. Pain is inevitable for all souls because of vikarma done in body conscious stage during Vikari world journey, which has to be nullified either with suffering, deemed as karma is equal to cross, or bhog, as per Newton's law, action is equal to delayed reaction, could be by number of births, as shown in by black line. Other option is by Raj Yoga with no suffering, as per the formula of resilience of soul power, and karma is equal to positive to generate pralabdha script for 20 births in Nirvikari world during one single Durlabh birth in transition world, applicable to 33 crore spatial souls. The principle is, in spite of Vikar depicted as a black layer because of the charging into God consciousness, Swadharma is output like it is done in Nirvikari world, and that is why it is called Shresht Karma. As soon as soul count in the soul world reaches zero, it triggers the simultaneous end journey of all the souls from human world to soul world. We have seen that entry from soul world to human world is one by one. The exit initiation, also called Qayamat, is characterized by 1. Mahabharata or World War III all over the world except India. Second, Prakriti transformation by natural calamities all over the world. Third, Gruha in India. And fourth, the residual purification in Sukshmavatan by Dharmaraj. Purush Vam or Vikar transition happens twice a cycle. First, from Treta to Dwapar transition, which we call as Adam Eve apple syndrome. And second, during the Sangam Yuga, when Vikar becomes zero. That is every 2500 years, resulting in initialization of Prakriti. As Purush controls the Prakriti, at a time only 2500 years of history is remembered. Our answer, kahan se aaye, kahan jana hai? The answer is from soul world to human world, to and fro. Param Purush returns to soul world till the next transition time. Cycle re-entry from soul world to human world implies that there is no nirvana or merging, as soul energy cannot be destroyed or created or merged with each other or with soul world as per quantum physics, as soul count remains constant throughout. As per Mahabharata scriptures, everything begins with the Gita sermon, followed by Mahabharata war leading to the Sadgati of Pandavas in heaven. This phenomena maps to the three functions of God. Mahabharata scriptures actually describes the transition time or Sangam Yuga, where first, Gita sermon is the Raj Yoga teaching by Param Purush, which purifies the souls to become eligible for Nirvikari world or heaven by conquering the Maya or Vikar or body consciousness, deemed as Maya Yud, equivalent to the generate functions of God of transferring Vikari souls to Nirvikari souls by Brahma. Second, transformation of Prakriti from old Vikari world to new Nirvikari world, the equivalent to destruct function of God by Mahesh. And the third, maintain the heaven, the Nirvikari kingdom of Vishnu or Lakshmi Narayan or Adam Eve, equivalent to the operate function of God, of course followed by Ram Sita kingdom. Three functions or three deities or Trimurti, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, or children of God, use angel world for this transformation work. Four types of soul. 1. Param Purush or Paramatma, only birth by incarnation during Sangam Yug in the body of Brahma, remains at top of the human tree, number 0, followed by the souls in descending order of soul power located on inverted tree. Type 2, deity souls, entry only in Nirvikari world, totaling 33 crore special souls. Type 3, other religious souls, where entry is in Vikari world, where they coexist with Hindus converted from deity souls. Type 4, religious founder, they enter into Vikari world, where first birth is by incarnation. During that time, they preach the religion. Soul energy or thoughts or karma changes as per yuga. In Nirvikari world, Sankalp corresponds to karma is equal to 0, starting red line. Vikari world, Vikalp corresponds to karma is equal to negative, connecting black line. In transient world, Shresht Sankalp corresponds to karma is equal to positive, red line from the yellow point. And also in transient world, another option is Paschatap, which corresponds to karma is equal to cross, is the black line from the yellow point. Two paths or marks. Gyan mark is Sukshma, based on Swadharma, direct two-way communication with Param Purush, with role reversal within the total cycle, applicable to critical mass of the souls who become God conscious during Sangam Yuga. Bhakti Marg is a Sthul Kriya based on Janma Dharma. It is indirect one-way communication with Param Purush, applicable to the known history of the world. Every soul navigates Bhakti Marg. Only special souls are gifted Gyan Marg who are able to recognize Param Purush during Sangam Yuga. Adhyatma is defined as a journey during transit time or Sangam Yuga of converting from body consciousness to soul consciousness using God consciousness is by generating the 4H, is the happiness of the mind and health of the body, and harmony with other souls, and heaven by purifying the 5 elements. This all happens by nullifying the acquired vikar during the journey and transforming it to the original state or of swadharma or cube, which implies that it is a kal chakra of vikar acquisition during the journey and removal during the transition period, either by yog or bhog. And if it is done through yog, then that fruit to the critical mass of the souls is given during the next Nirvikari cycle. We all souls are now at yellow point and have only 2 options. either get automatically pulled by the cosmic cycle and suffer to return to Vikari world following the black path, or push the cosmic cycle by changing the lifestyle and enter into Nirvikari world following the red path. Change in lifestyle implies becoming soul conscious by matching soul frequency to God frequency. Adhyatma is change in lifestyle based on the understanding of the current context of Kal Chakra, which is either now or probably never. Conclusion is explain is the God's true Gita for we, the souls, to follow.